Mora here, very interesting case. I just finished doing a posterior labral repair. Posterior labrum, so what that is there's a structure around the ball and socket of the shoulder. It keeps the head centered on the socket. So that's the humeral head, socket below. The labrum is right here. The labrum, the best way to describe it is like an oval picture frame that goes all the way around the socket. You see how it's a little frayed over there? But in the back, it had actually pulled itself off the socket. So imagine a picture, a frame that pulls itself off from the picture. So this is the labrum. I repaired it with some Smith & Nephew knotless type anchors. So they're right there, boom, boom, and boom. Beautiful looking labrum. But the most important thing, which I always emphasize, is preparation, because without good preparation, no matter how nice it looks, it's not going to heal. So what we did here is took a lot of time preparing the area so that I can generate blood flow to this area or bring in blood flow. So I'm turning off my fluid flow here. And there's the blood. See, right there, we've got a lot of blood. Because if there's no blood, like I always say, there is what? There's no heal. So that's what I always say. That's why I spent a lot of time preparing this. So we got right there, we got bleeding right there. And compression. So we have good compression, good bleeding. Labral repair, posterior labral repair. Looks really nice. Just wanted to share this with you because I love looking at our repairs. To be quite honest, I can stare at this all day. Look at that. Gorgeous, beautiful. Thank you very much.